the practice of design in the ASEAN region. So, for the countries in the ASEAN, we will start first with Malaysia. So, in Malaysia, it has had a steady growth in industrial design, driven by its manufacturing sector and initiatives to modernize design education. The country has a well-established industrial design framework with institutions like the Malaysia Design Council promoting the industry, which is this one. The craft and modernity. Malaysia's industrial design incorporates its rich cultural heritage, particularly its batik and rattan craftsmanship. Designers often blend these traditional elements with modern design principles to create unique products. So one of the challenges the Malaysia has faced is related to funding for small design firms and designers limited access to advanced manufacturing technologies. The next country is Singapore. In terms of global design hub, Singapore stands out as a design and innovation hub in Southeast Asia. The government's focus on design as a strategic asset has led to the formation of agencies like Design Singapore Council, which promotes industrial design as a driver of economic growth. In terms of international influence, Singapore's design sector is heavily influenced by its cosmopolitan environment and international connections, resulting in high quality designs that compete globally. In terms of sustainability and technology, sustainability is a significant trend in Singapore's design scene. The city-state's focus on smart design and technology also encourages a blend of digital innovations with traditional industrial design practices. So for Thailand, in terms of cultural craftsmanship, Thai industrial design is known for integrating traditional Thai art and craft techniques with modern design. The country's industrial designers often focus on sustainability and local materials such as bamboo, silk, and ceramics. Institutions like King Mongkut's Institute of Technology and Silpakorn University offer strong design programs, helping to nurture a growing pool of industrial designers. Um, Thailand also is export oriented, with its industrial design sector highly export driven, producing consumer goods, furniture, and appliances for international markets. Although local appreciation for design is growing as well, one of the major hurdles Thailand is experiencing is that despite having a very vibrant design scene, the industry still struggles with limited government support compared to other sectors. In Indonesia, the local craft traditions of Indonesia in industrial design often incorporates elements of local craftsmanship such as weaving, batik, and wood carving. These traditional practices often provide a strong cultural identity to Indonesian design products. Small scale enterprises. Much of Indonesia's industrial design industry revolves around small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs, producing consumer goods, furniture, and homeware. In terms of government initiatives, there have been increasing efforts by the Indonesian government to promote design as part of its creative economy initiatives. Programs like Bekraf encourage collaboration between designers and industries. One of the challenges Indonesia is facing is that the sector faces such as limited infrastructure, underdeveloped design education, and a lack of access to cutting-edge technologies. Next is Vietnam, emerging market. Vietnam is an emerging player in the industrial design field. Rapid industrialization and economic development have led to increasing demand for innovative design solutions. Manufacturing focus. Much of the design in Vietnam has traditionally been linked to manufacturing, particularly in areas like furniture, textiles, and electronics. However, local designers are starting to embrace more creative aspects of industrial design. Young design talent. A new generation of Vietnamese designers is gaining prominence, drawing in the country's cultural identity while integrating global design trends. Challenges. Vietnam faces challenges related to underdeveloped design infrastructure and educational opportunities, as well as limited public awareness of the value of design. Lastly, the Philippines. So, a blend of local and global influences. Industrial design in the Philippines is influenced by the country's strong craft traditions, such as weaving and woodwork, as well as its exposure to international brands. Designers often integrate Filipino cultural elements with modern design thinking. Government support. The Design Center of the Philippines has been instrumental in promoting the development of industrial design as part of the creative industries. Crafts and sustainability. Filipino designers have increasingly focused on sustainability, often working with local materials like abaca, bamboo, and piña fiber. One of the challenges the Philippines is facing is that, like many Southeast Asian countries, the Philippine industrial design sector grapples with issues such as limited financial support, an underdeveloped technological infrastructure, and a lack of large-scale industrial production facilities. So, in summary, one of the challenges the ASEAN or Southeast Asian nations is facing is number one, educational gaps. In many Southeast Asian countries, there is a shortage of formal industrial design education and training opportunities. This can limit the ability of designers to engage with advanced technologies and global trends. Technological access is a challenge. Access to cutting-edge design tools and manufacturing technologies is limited, especially in rural or less industrialized areas. A third challenge is government support. While some countries like Singapore and Malaysia have strong government initiatives promoting industrial design, others still lack significant institutional support for designers and design firms. Opportunities of the ASEAN region. Sustainability. In terms of sustainability, designers in the region are increasingly focused on sustainability, often drawing on local materials and traditional craft techniques. This trend is likely to expand as global demand for eco-friendly design grows. Global market access. Southeast Asian countries are positioned well to serve both local and international markets. The rise of e-commerce and improved logistic networks are making it easier for designers to reach global customers. So thank you for listening on the topic of industrial design status in the Southeast Asian region.